Good morning, guys, and welcome to the weekend vlog. Yes, it is the weekend. It is Friday morning, currently 7 a.m. and I'm going to work. So, yeah, we're gonna have fun this weekend, chilling, just chilling. So, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget, guys, like and subscribe. Guys, so it's church time and I'm at church and it's empty. But I can't say I choose one girl in the church, one outside the door, and me. Start over.
Right, so let me tell you about my day. I carried two children to JCDC festival, speech festival, and one went through with Couscous by Louise Bennett. So, and the sound on the map.
No, my school went
Mommy, daddy, one is plus one
with 10 pieces, okay? And
10?
yes,
10. She
and
have
they
two
took
original in the by
6
Rita
pieces
Shirley
back.
Bailey.
Yes, and
She bought
two of them were my pieces.
Woo! My mommy is
Yes.
talented.
One
So
of
you
them
can see that
says
because they know say
7 national heroes,
Ooh.
and the other one says Jamaica 56.
Hey.
It's currently after 12. I'm kind of just getting.
What are you begging? What do you want? Thank you too boring. Dance to the father. It's so boring. It's so boring. Shutty.
Never fail.
Hi guys, your game is so boring. Look at what we have. Woohoo! We got mini dominoes and mini ludo, and we got mini.
You realize if I'm mini noodle, by the time you just dice, you know, reach back home.
So what? Still more fun. Look at ours. Ours is cuter.
So much cuter. Big tune.
Hi.
Man, so you said I could.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, she's so boring. Hey.
Alright.
So we're starting off with mini ludo.
It's your turn.
You never go nowhere?
Nope.
After me thinking I'm actually a winning.
I tried.
Oh man.
Two. I'm so Gucci, Gucci, Gucci.
Or okay, time up.
That's the 7. 1, 2. Okay, guys.
Game night is over.
And she lost
Yeah,
to
me
me.
lose.
To me.
Me lose, but
And the champion is reigning.
why?
I won most of my games. I won all of my games.
Hey, we are on our way to church. Hey,
Yes.
Nash.
Hey.
Tomorrow is our birthday.
And they live not near they live.
Chalk Sego.
God farther from church.
Oh gosh, but yeah, we look good. We stay well today. Our
Today,
first
our
Sunday,
birthday.
that's why.
Our birthday.
We say, y'all
Sorry.
stay well.
Happy birthday, sweet.
Comfy mommy. Time, you don't know what that's called. Good time, you know. Just a little yard again, you know.
You're too ultra brother.
Good time.
First Sunday.
Oh, yes,
Right.
did you say
Right.
that? Alright, that was true. That.
Come, when next?
I went no.
Get my mother ice cream.
You-
We are at Praise, much for me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog here, but before I do, I just want to tell you guys that I'm starting a motivational quote of the week, and the motivational quote of this week is stop being afraid of the things that might go wrong. Think about what might go right. Okay, just want to give a shout out to Nashara and Lisa, who will be having their birthday during this week. Nashara's birthday will be on Monday. Show her some love. And Lisa's birthday will be on Thursday. Also, show her some love in the comments down below. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next weekend. Bye!
I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.